Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Co. Today we've just done a 2023 Ford Ranger truck diesel with a Halo Mini. So how the system works, if I was to put my foot on the brake and try and hit the start button, the start button is on this. Okay, start button is here. So you'll see it just won't start, okay? It just won't start. Okay, so now if we insert the code, so main ignition on, insert your code. I think my colleague done 3 up and 1 down. 1, 2, 3 down. No, sorry. Let's do it again. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3 up, we get a flash, and then just cycle the ignition off, foot on the brake and start. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. See the vehicle's running, okay? So when I open the door, as soon as I open the door, double flash, system is now armed. So if I try and put my foot on the brake and try and start it, you'll see it won't start again. Okay, vehicle won't start. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, as I said, main ignition on without their foot on the brake, insert the code, so 1, 2, 3 up. We'll get a flash, then cycle the ignition off, put your foot on the brake and start. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Okay, if I don't open the door and I want to put it in valet mode, so just main ignition on, insert the code, so 1, 2, 3, and hold on the last one. In about 15 seconds, we'll get 5 flashes and the system will be in valet mode. You watch carefully. There you go. 5 flashes. It's now in valet mode. If I open the door, system won't arm. I can start it straight away. Okay, really simple, straightforward. When I get the vehicle back, ignition on, insert the code and hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. If you watch in about 15 to 20 seconds, it will come out of valet mode. Okay, if you just bear me a second. There you go, it's now come out of valet mode. So as soon as I turn off the ignition, it's now armed. As soon as I open the door, it won't start. Okay, if I want to change the code, main ignition on, insert the code first of all to pass authorization, 1, 2, 3 up. We'll get a flash. Then if I tap the accelerator down 10 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go, we're into learn mode. So I'm just going to go down, down, up, up, and ignition off within 5 seconds. We've got a flash. So open the door, just try and start it. It just won't start again. So now let's just try the new code. So main ignition on, down, down, up, up. There you go, flash, ignition off, foot on the brake and start. Really simple, really straightforward. As I said, this is a brand new 2023 Ford Ranger Halo Mini fitted. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. If you want to give us a call, number to is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.